Hey, I'm next.
Yo, what's going on? We are here, Ignatius Kawash, Activation at 2380, supporting the community. Wave session is in the building, man. Still up on 26, 25 to 26, tennis court, as it was on it. So respect young kid don't come and 12. Must pull up. And make sure you bring your family, your friends, you bring everyone, even your kids, man. And bring your skill. Abandoned stores, they are welcome. If you're selling anything, you're welcome. Just come through and have fun with us. Let's create a community Bambani that does everything together. See you May 26, 2380 cookout.
I'm next. Come on back. Put your shoe on my face.
Welcome everybody. We are here at Ignatius Kawash Activation for 2380 cookout. We are with the main man. He's going to introduce himself and then he's going to tell us ukuthi ungubani. Ngoba kayena wangubani. I'm breaking the ice.
No, thank you.
So yes, so you're going to introduce yourself. Here's the camera. Please just tell everybody who you are and then move it on.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I'm Aquila, the cookout guy. Cookout, yeah, India like us.
Yeah.
More like Mkondo, born, raised here, grew up here, study here, live here.
Yeah. So in that sense, you mean Mayaga Koko or Kibel 6?
No, definitely not.
Mayaga Koko.
It's good, Paul.
Mayaga Koko Mama.
Angela Mkondo, la entwephe la uyabona.
Ah, three show is but it's okay. Oh, forgive me. Mina mangiyaga Koko ngimakatini ka ubaba. Mangiyaga Koko mangithokozana.
Yeah.
So I love the movement, and that's why I always be for it.
Yeah.
From the beginning, we appreciate Uguitala.
Yeah.
You know, you let Jane Hambile until today.
Yeah.
And we expect you to Kobe. And one day you must handle the torch when it is somebody else. And that's my ask.
Yeah.
So how and where will the cookout be? It's will be and the dates this year. What's happening?
Oh, let me just give a little bit of a background. Cookout was formed in 2018.
Okay.
Same venue, like the idea was behind let's create an environment where all of us will able to come, sit, and able to benefit. In a sense, for business people, local business people, just to create an environment where everyone can come and exhibit and sell, and create business out of this.
Showcase.
And we've got, a big location right now. It has expanded, but we also feel there are a few things that, are missing in terms of entertainment and stuff. But this is for EU Tendala. Obvious, it's not for kids. It's more of mature people who are responsible, who like to go out and chill and engage in a very decent manner. Like the ladies who are in front of us here today. Yeah, this is their event. It's not my event. It's an event like us. Event in 25, 26. The past few events, what happened, we've been noticing the weather situation during that time. It's raining but when we look at this year in terms of the weather forecast, on the 26th it looks like it's gonna be sunny and we won't have rain. But we also beef up in terms of with the rain. It shouldn't be a rain on the day. We'll have a big marquee, a beautiful marquee that will be able to host people underneath for the duration of the event. Yeah. And we also expect vendors, people who are selling, to come through and engage in terms of how they want to grow their businesses.
Wait. You only want vendors?
Not really vendors, but vendors as pay the way to sell, There's a vendor in a vendor,
I thought you were talking about vendors.
No, vendor.
Umuntu
othengisayo it's a vendor.
No, but you need to explain. You can't just say vendors and then everybody understands. So, from a vendor, and it's going to be a problem. So, vendors, you mean people who have business and they're selling something?
Yeah, stalls. So, because that's what we are also targeting, to target the local business people who've got businesses, but
Yeah.
they don't have exposure. Who wants to sell their things? You might be designing
Selling
a T-shirt
t-shirts, yeah.
or doing arch or chakalaka.
Peri-peri.
Yeah, anything.
Yes.
You know, and then you can come through, get a stall, and then able to sell your product.
Cool. There's a very big question because this is it's a live show, so the audience yabuza
I am a vendor.
who do you talk to? Like ufonela bani. Let's say ngithengisa amakoti
Yeah,
and I wanna come sell.
yeah.
Who do I talk to? What's the number?
In a poster, there is a number that is given there that you can contact.
We'll put
Obviously,
it here, Nemshin.
yeah.
We see people moving things. It must move with me with my hand.
How much?
We've got contact of people. There is a number of 074-386-2128. 074-386-2128. You can contact that number to get the price of the stalls. And yeah, we are expecting our guys to
So-
bring the business in and make money on it.
To be transparent, how much does it cost to come and sell?
Yeah, stalls are different. We've got stall for food. Obviously, the event is about food. We've got different types of food
Packages,
that will be,
yes.
packages that we'll be selling.
Yeah.
Food stalls, they are going for 2,000.
Yeah.
And then if you'll be selling food because the event is about food. Then you'll have the other stalls where you want to sell ice, you want to sell acha. It's a 500 per stall.
Okay.
Yeah. Then a person who's bringing a stall can bring an extra person so that he can able to assist him or her.
Yes.
You know. And then there is alcohol. The alcohol for now can limit for it for now.
Okay.
The stall for alcohol.
So it's
'cause
not available at the moment.
it's not available. We are still in negotiations
Alright.
because there are a lot of things that are needed for alcohol to able to consume alcohol or
Yeah.
sell alcohol in the place.
Yes.
Yeah, but there will be a stall for cookout. It's already taken. Not cookout, sorry. For cocktails, it's already taken
Okay.
by local people who wants to sell cocktail on a day. Yeah, it's taken already now. And some few snack bar. A person who wants to sell snacks in platform and it's from like us, it's already taken.
Okay.
We are also looking for other people who wants to come. No more things ubuhlalo, no more things
Anything.
no more things anything. Into cabanga ukuthi can sell. Just bring it and then display it, we'll sell it.
It's fine. Where is the venue?
The venue is a Thokozani, Emakot. There is an old place lapha phambi kweqhubekani nendawonye nendlela even Khumalo Street. Even is that.
No, let's involve her.
Yeah.
Why Pamsi San?
I think 2,000 is too much for a first time seller.
Okay.
2,000 is too much.
Then you contact the number and negotiate, right?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe to respond to you, my sister, in terms of prices, Yamastol, we look at, like, I don't want to dwell much, but in the expenses of creating the event itself and the food that needs to be, obviously the food is expensive, but also remember that if you'll be selling there, I won't be giving you a price of how much you're going to charge for a plate. But we are selling exclusive food
But
that we
nothing
want.
is, wait, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But nothing is, for a first time seller,
Yeah.
you can't charge that person 2,000 rand, especially if that person is trying to expose him or herself.
Okay.
So you can't charge a stall.
Can I come in on that one? You know, in business, né, you must understand. You could see, if you wanna play with the big boys, you play with the big boys.
But
If you
for a
don't,
first timer,
if you're a first time and you don't wanna play with the big boys, don't play with the big boys.
Okay, because I'm Akira and
That's not
I'm
how-
generous.
But Akura is a communist.
Yeah.
Uzokulungisela, uzokhuluma nawe.
Because I'm generous on that, let's all agree that his stall for food, it should be 1,500.
Oh, you just negotiated
Because
the
of
discount.
of the Black Friday special.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Anyone who's willing
New
to come
price.
and sell
New
food.
price. Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Seba ngubani kabala ko? Wabani sibo? On Facebook.
Fako. Lerato Masibu on Facebook.
Lerato Mazuko on Facebook just negotiated a deal for all of you and thanks for good. It's no longer 2,000, it's 1.5.
Away.
So, all right. In closing, my brothers, why did you decide to do this thing? Like, he pinches a galo.
what happened? Based on I grew up here,
Yeah.
you know, and a lot of things I saw it happened in front of my eyes. But it happened at some point. I went somewhere somehow. There's an event in Joburg called DSTV Delicious.
Yeah,
The
it inspired you.
Yeah, and then it inspired. I just thought, why can't we do something like this? Because it gives a lot of exposure to people, especially for local economic development here in Dao.
Yeah, you're playing a role.
Yeah, where everyone can contribute and everyone can, you know, able to take something home at the end of the day.
All right.
You know, yeah.
It's Wave Sessions and Tax. Is it Tax or what?
Yeah, this is Nsax.
Tax Creation presents 2380 Cool Out. We're out. Besikona ku activation.
Amaticket.
2380. Amaticket asasekhona, right?
Yeah, tickets are still available, 100 Rand, but we've got few tickets until I think 15th of December. Then azobe asaphelile because ama-tickets akhona few. Then again ticket 150 and then a cooler box 50 Rand. We'll have fun. This time we'll bring along fashion. We are planning to bring fashion.
Yes.
We'll have fashion shoot, we'll have fashion, we'll have live music, band artists from the local sphere around the cars. And then we've got good DJs around.
Mention a few. Mention a few.
DJs, we've got, we've got
Kuku.
K.
Yes. All the way. Yes. One of the best.
We will be blessed with soul music the rest of the day and R&B. You'll enjoy R&B and proper.
Yeah.
We've got Upegi Vilagazi, you know, maybe Upegi Vilagazi will be there as one. And then on the house, we've got Tiwanda, we've got Kenny, we've got Pesi, we've got Keku.
Yeah.
There are quite a few, but local guys, most of us, because we are celebrating local. And for you,
At the same
we need
time,
to balance.
wait, but at the same time, I didn't see
I'm a
you.
1K.
I didn't see you mention an MC, and I'm here asking like.
No,
I'm not
definitely.
getting paid on that day.
No, definitely. It as a cast. You are part of it as a cast.
So-
The cake is yours, Ndwan.
No,
On the
I'm
open
saying.
hand. Yeah, you are an
All
MC.
right.
of
I'll
it.
take you. Ikike no gatekeepers. No, Nikelele in front of you guys.
Yeah.
I'm there. Eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, shout out. Okay, no problem.
I will.
Anything you want to add, Mchini?
Where do they get the ticket?
Tickets are available online. If you go online, you type on your URL, you type 2380 Cookout, you put it in one word. Don't create a space in between. You just type 2380 Cookout on webmail. You are able to get an access of a ticket. It's 100 Rand from Pick and Pay, I think. Webmail,
It's web tickets.
web ticket, yes.
Okay, cool. So it
Yeah.
means ungena web tickets, ungena uthi 2380 Cookout, uthole link yakho and
Yeah.
then you buy online.
Yeah, you buy online. Ekasi, we've got promoters about our ticket at hand.
Yes.
You can contact them.
Yes, you can also get it from me.
Yeah, you can get it from you. You can get
can
it
get it
from
from
Utemba. You can
Utemba,
get
yes.
it from Ubora. You can get it from
Yeah.
you can get it from Ubodoza. Yeah, matikita tolagala.
Yeah, akhona guys,
And we
yes.
also have a special summer t-shirt, the brand that we are wearing, the 2380 Cookout
Yes.
brand. You buy a t-shirt, you don't buy a ticket. Your t-shirt takes you inside the event.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
If you buy
you buy a
t-shirts,
You get inside the event, you don't have to buy a ticket.
and
T-shirt, if you check maybe ama t-shirt abhaliwe la ngemumva, you can put isithakazelo sakho, your name of your company or igama lakho. It's 300 when it's like that. If it's plain like this, it's 250.
okay, all right.
Yeah.
Wave session in the building, Karafi boy, Petubani.
Nsaka.
Mtsakantsaka. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you for everyone who fikile activation. We appreciate you so much, guys. Dalile ma games.
Yeah.
Khona bawile ma tickets.
We're still gonna play more
still
games.
play more games.
We still have tickets to give away.
At
yeah.
the same time, akusasiwo utshwala, ngiyazi ulindela utshwala man.
No, thank you guys for coming. I really
Yeah.
appreciate your
Thank you so
presence.
much for everyone that came.
See you on the date, on the 26th.
See you on the 25 and the 26th of December, right? Utshele ukuthi
Next.
You got right. Yes. What a right. Two a right. But I'm a Chelsea man for that. Don't do this. I'm not going to let you. But I see there, what a right. What a right.
What big pan?
Next, please. What a right. What a right. See, Jala. Zinhle suka la.
Ayengene manje phela ngeke ngibone wasengena.
Moshi. Next. Second right.
No.
Kala ngesdula, why isdula lisinyanya? Isdula sishana.
Una two right.
Isidula.
Second chance there. 13. In the shop. So, Moshi now what a right. All right, next. Eh? Yeah, look at it. What do I come to one of Una one a right.
Actually two.
Oh, so you have two a right. Second time. I Not too much.
Walk clean. Queer. Two correct. Two are correct. I'm out of the pan. You go next side. The guy that you two for the man.
You got two right. See that?
Yes,
Right.
Hawu. Uyimoshile, nayo kodwa one right. Wait. Oh shit! Who was playing the video too? You got a ticket!
Nampush ispani, kuhlanganisa imali, Nkosi, amandla, okuphumelela, noma kunzima. Bawo, belusi amandla, okubakhathaza, lababaswasayo,
Leli! Ngoba ngibona shoot la sevenza le page ukao. Siwe session podcast. They are available on YouTube. If ever you're a subscriber, Wave Sessions podcast. If ever you're a subscriber, then you control the thing. You got to subscribe to me. Well, I mean, it's true. On YouTube. Wave Sessions improve la round 3. Round 3, no? Round 3, no? Ina masaya mapia iPhone ya. So ntabeliyenzeke la umuntu kuzoba nethuba amilke la besasitshela ukuthi yini ka imilkile ozithola right boy for ticket. Okay, move on to the next round.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I'm gonna take the move on.
AM next, you're my friend, you're my bed. It's good, it's not. Good, it's not. It's good, it's not. It's good, it's not. It's good, it's not. AM next, AM next. Better shoot, I'm on bed, I'm on bed. You're my fed, you're my fed, you're my fed.